Hi there, welcome into Relationship Roundtable. I'm Eric Meyer along with Polly from Big Frog 104 and a brand new member to the Roundtable. I've got Ryan from Town Square Live Events. So welcome into the Roundtable, Ryan.
Thanks.
Here is today's question. An old friend from high school recently reconnected with me on Facebook. It was great to catch back up, but recently they asked me for money. It wasn't a huge amount of money, but I'm concerned, should I help or not? Stacy, what do you think?
No. I don't think so. I mean, it's the purpose of it all. I mean, that obviously, if you just reconnected on Facebook, they were looking for you for a reason. That's the way I see it anyway.
Yeah.
I mean, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I mean, otherwise, I feel like you're just connecting with me because you want something from me.
Right. If
Ryan?
you haven't had a long-standing relationship,
Yeah.
they're gonna like, hey, nice to see you. I'm
I'm a little taken aback that that person even has the nerve to ask for money.
Yeah, that's tough. But I could see it like giving them the money and being like, you know, it's good
She
karma.
didn't say how much
Right.
money it was.
I don't think it's, to me, it's not the purpose of how much it was. To me, it rubs me the wrong way that you just, it makes me feel you contacted me just for something in return. Like we're still freaking back in high school. No.
I guess if you wanted the relationship and you wanted to kind of test it, if it was a small amount,
Right.
$20, $50, whatever is a small amount to you, give it a shot. If you're okay losing it, because you may never hear from them
That's
again.
true.
Right, exactly.
Or if you want something in return, then maybe get them the money and then you'll get a favor later.
Right.
But I don't know. I'm stingy, so.
Click subscribe and get more relationship advice here at Light 98.7's YouTube channel.